Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a telephone with the Rubik's twist. So first, turn the first two blocks 2 times. Get one block, and then turn everything else 2 times. Right. Now count 2 blocks, turn everything else 2 times. Count 1 block, everything else turn 2 times. Alright, so now go over to the other side. Doesn't matter how many blocks, just go over to the other end. Count the last 3 blocks and turn them 2 times. And then turn the next block 2 times. And then count 2 blocks, turn it 2 times. And then count 1 block and turn it 2 times. So you should have something that looks like this. And then you're going to turn, so this block right here, you're going to turn like to the back. And then this block right here, you're also going to turn to the back. And there you go, you have a telephone. Oh wait, not yet. So this final bit that sticks out at the end, just turn it so that the flats at the end is facing like this way. It's smooth with this. If it's the other way, then it goes down. But if it's this way, then it's like smooth with that. So, and that's the bottom of the telephone, and you can just use it. So if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button right down there, as well as the subscribe button right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.